H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing, and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
This conference will now be recorded.
She and yeah. So hi, this is an introduction like a demo classes. So I just want to give introduction regarding Salesforce and what we will be discussing and everything, and a small topic if needed. And I just want to check with you. Have you got a chance to create a Salesforce demo arc? Hello. Hello. Qureshi. Yeah, Qureshi, if you're speaking, you are on mute. Okay, so let me show you how to create a demo so that you can try creating. If not, then I can show you a simple topic regarding what is lead, campaign, and the basic sales process. Yeah. You have to use developer.salesforce/signup. This one. This screen. Okay. Here we need to provide our first name, last name. Like how we create a Gmail, similarly we'll provide a first name, last name, email address, which is a working email address, and the role, job role, anything you can select. And the company, you can give any test company, nothing particularly we should give this, you should not give this. It's not like that. You can give any company. The country, region, location you can select, and the postal code, the username, say agree, sign me up. Then you'll be sending an email, will be sent to the email address which we have used here. An email will be sent to this email address. There you need to click on the link so that you can log into the demo. So again, repeating, just use this URL. You can use this URL and provide the data, first name, last name, email address, role, country, region, everything. Then you can, it will be send email to the email address which you have given so that you can log into the demo arc. You know the username, you can create the password, and you can use that one to log into Salesforce for this sessions. Again, it's a free org. You can log in and you can practice whatever we have discussed. Could you please try right now? I have shared the link. Yeah. Come on, someone can speak. Qureshi or BR, can you talk to? Yeah. Yeah, you can. If you have mic, you can speak. Okay. Okay. Try creating the org. I have given you the link in the chat, so you can try creating the developer org. Use this link, you will get this page. You can provide the first name, last name, everything. First name, last name, email, role. Qureshi, are you able to follow? Yeah, Qureshi, not sure if your mic is having an issue because I can't hear you if you're talking. Listening unmute request. Okay. So let me know if you are able to create org. I'm just waiting for your confirmation whether you are able to create org or not. Provide the details like first name, last name, email, the company information, the location, the country, everything. Then once you provide and submit, sign me up, you will get an email to the email ID which you have used here. I hope you are trying. I hope you are trying to create org.
Yeah, created. This is Bobo.
Sorry,
Yeah, already created.
created. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, once we create, we can log into the org. Let me go to the org. So this is one my demo org. Now here, and hope you have logged into org, right?
Whatever it's in your screen, same thing, right?
Same thing. Yeah, that's what you will logged into Salesforce.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay then. So let me explain the screen what you are seeing, so that you'll be familiar with the screen. The screen what we are seeing is called a setup screen. So here, once you click on settings, click on setup, we will go to this setup screen. As soon as we log in, also will be the setup screen. And this setup screen, whatever we are doing, changes or working, some settings, everything, it's at org level, not a particular application. It's at org level. Okay, complete Salesforce level. And here, if you go to click app launcher, if you want to go to particular application, maybe sales application, click on here, sales, we'll go to the sales application. Okay, so here it's a standard application by Salesforce, sales application. So how the sales are happening can be configured using the sales application. Okay, so here we have campaigns, lead, contact, account, opportunities. Okay, for this opportunity we are going to add a product. So in simple, what we are saying is, for any product, first to go to the customers, first public should know about the product, everything that is happened through a campaign. So that is called this campaign. Okay, so what campaign we have created, the campaign name, what is the type of the campaign, its status, planned or in progress or whatever, when we started, when we have ended, or we have ended, or it's still in progress, no end date. So this information will be there in campaign. And here leads gets created for the campaign. So for example, there's a new iPhone model. So first Apple is going to launch campaign for the new one. Either it could be advertisement or it could be Facebook ads, whatever the needs. So it started a campaign, and then people have seen it, and whoever interested, they will get in touch with the concern. Maybe it could be a store or it could be online, wherever. So that information is going to get stored in the leads. In the leads, we will have that information. Once we store information is stored in the lead, if the person, whoever is the lead who is interested in the product, if he's interested further, once the leads get created, the salespeople will get in touch with this lead. They will talk to the person and they will ask, are you the product you have seen that you are interested in this product? May I know whatever clarifications are there, whatever additional information a salespeople want to provide to the customer, he'll get the details. Once he feels that he's further more interested, make it to working contacted for now. And then if it's further interested, okay, closed, converted. That means we are saying, okay, this lead can be converted to an opportunity for us. Okay, how this conversion happen, what's going to in background, we will discuss, but just giving at sales functional level, this is what we're going to happen. So we'll say select converted status, the lead can be converted. So like this here, if you see, once a lead is converted, it will create as an account, contact, and then opportunity. So what does this mean? Account, what information it's going to have? It's going to have the company, the customer, the lead belongs to. That information is going to have. Whereas contact, the first name, last name of the contact. First name, last name, phone number, everything. Opportunity, it's a company name will come. Is it convert? I think there is some error. I got error. Okay, that's a configuration issue. We can ignore. Once we convert, then it's going to create opportunity. It's going to create account, contact, opportunity. In the opportunity, we are going to add the product they're interested, like this. How to add a product, we'll discuss again in everything in brief, very clearly, but just giving heads up. So a simple introduction, so that whatever terminology I'm saying, right, I'm saying lead, campaign, accounts, contacts, opportunities, product. So this you could get familiarized. Okay, so once opportunity created, we are adding a product. Click on add products. We'll have list of products here and select from those. Click on next. Okay, it is saying how many quantity you need. So one, and save. Item line description, I'll say some description. Let's see the number, what number. I went to the product, seeing what went wrong. Okay, ignore. I'll take some other opportunity. I'll add some other, let me see if I can add some other product. Okay, notice some custom validation is happening. You can check later that one. Going here, add product. I'm getting only one. Not this one, some custom validation. I will create free demo org with no validations and everything, so we can understand again. I'll explain again this one within the freedom orgs, new freedom org. So generally we'll add product here. Once we add the product, and then here we will get the amount based on the quantity. We will get the amount for the opportunity. It's automated. So once the person is here, we have different stages in our opportunity. These are the stages. First thing is prospecting, we can say. So prospecting initially with the 10% probability that opportunity can win. That means it's a 10% probability the customer could buy the product. Initially it will be like that. And later qualification, it's one of the stage. Like this need analysis is a stage, so stages will be moving forward. But here, based on the stage, the probability changes. For example, but here I did decision, I said mark as current stage. So now what's happening here, the probability 60%. What does this mean, probability? There is a 60% of chance this opportunity could win as of now. These are going to help the salespeople, so they can have some pipeline. So they may have some analysis, they may forecast, okay, we may have these many, we could have this many opportunities we could have for the next quarter, something like that. So based on that, they can estimate the some revenue. We could have some this much amount of revenue in that way. So these are all for forecasting they can use. And now again, perception. Similarly, these are the stages. Finally, if you have one, say closed, select close stage, closed one, save. Some error is there somewhere. Okay, we'll see. So if I say closed one, then this will become 90%. I mean, sorry, 100%, and opportunity can be closed. So that is what. So opportunity closed means we have sold the product to the customer. So this is how we can have a lead process. I mean, sales process, simple sales process, where it starts first with campaign, creation of a campaign, then the leads will come, convert the lead, it becomes account, contact, opportunity. In the opportunity, add the product to the opportunity. Once you add the product, based on the product price, here the amount is getting updated, amount and expected amounts will get updated, and then based on the price and the quantity, these will get updated. So once moving further, while working, salespeople will work on the opportunity. Once they work further, we are going to give the stage, opportunity stage. Based on the stages, we have the probability of winning this opportunity. I mean, probability of winning this opportunity means probability of customer can purchase the product. It's having like this, and mark stage as complete. It's completed. So this is how the simple sales process works. And here there's one more concept called, we have discussed product and opportunity only. We have added product. After adding product, there is a concept of quotes. Okay, so what does this mean? We are creating a quote for this opportunity, stating that, okay, this is a product and these are the price for the product which you are taking and everything, and we'll give here discount. If there is something discount, we will provide some discount. So based on the discount, the price, the total price the customer have to pay for the product will get discounted. So that discounts will be giving, will give the bill to ship to whom we are going to send this product, and billing and everything, and then save it. What's going to happen after doing this? The quote will be sent to the customer, like an email and attached PDF that will be sent to the customer. Once the customer receives the quote and template, that PDF format, if he is interested, okay, I'm okay with this price and no more negotiations, then the customer may reply stating agreed or something. So once that is done, we will say quote is finalized, quote can be closed, and then once the quote is closed, and that is a primary quote, and then it's going to happen, expected revenue amount will get updated according to the quotes, and then the opportunity is one. That's how we can say the simple sales process. That means we have sold the product to customer. So sales people involved, they have negotiated the product, they have given some discount. All these things happen using Salesforce, and everything we have track, whom we have contacted, everything we have tracked. So like this, we can use Salesforce for the simple sales process. So marketing the product using campaign, get the leads, convert the leads, account, contact, opportunity, go to opportunity, add the product interested, add the quotation, like quote, send to customer who is interested, quote is synced, and then opportunity is closed 1. Okay, now we have sold the product. Okay, this is a simple sales process. Do you have anyone have any queries in this sales process?
Okay. Whatever you showed about the products and all those details,
Mhm.
we cannot able to see in our salesforce.org, right?
You should see it's a free org, right? Even I am using a free org.
Yeah, if I go to opportunities, it says 0 items updated a few seconds ago. That's it.
Opportunity is there. Have you opened any opportunity?
Yeah, I clicked opportunity, but there was nothing was there.
You clicked on opportunity. You clicked on
Yeah,
any record, or you can change this to all.
all opportunities. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. You can take anything, any existing, which is not closed. Okay. So
Oh,
here
okay.
we're going to add product. Add product. Facebook iPhone I have selected. I think for iPhone I have only one. Let me take standard and save. I got see different products. I will explain this later. What is this product? What is this price book? In the course we will discuss detail. But just to heads up I'm giving. So we are adding a product. Click next. Quantity 1. Save. Let me see if I get any error. I got added. See, one product is added. So the price is sale price is 5,000, and here amount is updated to 5,000. If I go here, edit, and change the quantity to 5, save. It got updated. See, so
Mhm.
5 into 5, 25,000. Each one is 5,000. I'm saying 5 quantity. So 25,000 is expected revenue, and the amount is 25,000. Okay. Like this, we will be creating a product, and the data will get updated here. So here, once we add it, then we can create code also. New code number, everything here will be giving expire when this code could expire, the date, status, everything will be given here, and that can be synced. And we'll discuss it later. That can be synced, and once it's finalized, that will be primary code, and opportunity is 1. So based on that, here you can see the staging, right? 10% it is showing. I'll change this to something else. Need analysis or closed one. Save. So opportunity is 1, like this. So what happened for it here, if once you click on a tab, mostly every time it will go to recently viewed. So it's a new org, there will be nothing unless you worked on any org record. There will be nothing. So for that, we'll go here, click on all opportunities, and you can see the opportunities. Any queries? Okay. See, today whatever we are discussing, it will make you. What is the final output I'm thinking here is you should be familiar with the screens. The term what I'm saying opportunity, I'm saying lead, I'm saying campaign. So if we are familiar with the terminology what we are using and the screens what you are looking, so that is it will be more helpful for you to learn this easily. Okay, here again I'm repeating, there are two different screens. One is a setup screen. Okay, click on setup. Here you can see the setup, right, like this. So here we have object manager. So if you're working on particular object, you want to do some changes to an object level, You can go to the respective object and you'll get information and fields and relationship, everything we can add like this. Okay, just be online. I'm getting a call.
This conference will now be recorded.
So whatever we are seeing here, see here till now we discussed regarding lead, account, contact, opportunity. So it's at record level. So we are creating some data and we are working. We can consider that even end user will be working on Salesforce like that. So we are designing something for salespeople. Salespeople will, let's say he is the end user who is using the sales process we have designed. So he will work similarly what I have, how I have done. 1 second, sorry. Okay, sorry. So here till now we have discussed the record creation. Okay, so that whatever task I have done, right, like record creation and converting the lead or providing opportunity information, all those things, that one will be done by the salesperson. So he is the end user who is using our product, I mean Salesforce. So consider iPhone is using, Apple is using Salesforce for their sales process. So they will purchase Salesforce, and the sales people of Apple, they will work similarly how I have showed you. Now, what administrator is going to do here? So admin is going to work on like this. Like he may want some, for example, account field object is that standard object. So you want to create some custom field. That means you want to create a new field so that for the business purpose they want some field. It could be a formula field. Different data types of fields we'll be having. Once I click on new here, if you see data type is nothing but the type of the field we are creating. That means either it could be a text field, text area field, or phone number field, percentage field, number field, pick list. So different data type we will call them. Okay, so these are different data type of fields. We'll discuss each and every data type so that we can understand why we are creating these fields. And how to create these fields and everything. We can even will create formulas. Formula fields will be there. Auto number, roll up. What is roll up? We'll be discussing everything. So we'll create a fields as per the business. So business may say that I want a formula that if I provide two inputs, we should get the output based on the two inputs. Or I'm providing one input, so maybe based on that we should get some other output. How to design, we can use a formula field, right? So in the formula field we will use the field which we are providing input and do calculations accordingly. So even you can use the formula, you can create a formula fields. And the process how to create is this way. When which object you want to create, fields and relationship, and click on new, select the data type which you want to create. If you want to create formula, you go use formula here like this. Okay, this is how we can create. We'll discuss each and everything again, just giving heads up how to, what are the things are there in the background. So we'll create formulas like this. Not only formula, any data type field we can create like this. So just for glance, what I could suggest as a task for you, just go to this setup screen, object manager, any object, select any object, just go to fields and relationship, click on new, just read this one. So data type auto number, they have given some information. See, a system generated number like this. Just read this one, you will get some idea till whatever you can understand, just understand, just read it, read so that you can understand to some extent. That's it. Okay, see, if you observe, it's just giving the what is this field, what, for example, text allows users to enter any combination of letters and numbers. If I create a text field, what I can do, I can provide the data which is a combination of a letter or number. That's what it is saying. So like that, you will have some idea. That's it. Just read it, nothing to by heart, just read it. Okay, so you'll have some idea. And again, we are going to discuss each and every data type. For example, I will explain how to create a text field, and you can try from your end how to create text area, how to create text area long, text area rich, and everything. Similarly, I'll explain pick list and multi-select and dependency pick list, everything. So what, once I explain few fields, I will ask you to try for other fields. Whatever you can try it, and still we'll have queries, I know, and then we'll discuss those also, and we will discuss this lookup, rollup, formula, auto number, and what is this external lookup, integration related. So all these fields we'll be discussing. So once we are good with the data types and creation of fields and formulas and all, then we'll go to the page layouts, those topics like page layout. So what is this page layout? How to create a page layout? How to assign a page layout to different users or profiles, like it. So these things we'll be discussing one by one. Once you are good with this, so we will have clear picture on object. Object is nothing but, in SQL terms, I can say it's a table. Object is a table. The records in the table, or this object, we call the columns in the table, data with the columns. So that is what the column name is called, field name. Whatever field name is there for the object, that is called a column name, and the data in it is nothing but even the field name, data in the field. So collective fields information is a record. We'll create a record. Any queries till now? Okay. And here the other things, again, we have like record types. What is this record type and all? So record type means I want to create an account, but it should be a record type of some international account or national account, something like that. So we are differentiating the records using record type. So we want to create some data which is specific to some international level, like that. So we are just differentiating. So in technical level, what is the difference for this record type is, we can create our own page layouts. For each record type, we can create a page layout and assign the page layout to the respective record type. And what is the page layout? Page layout means, if you go here, if you open any object, any field, any record, you can control what fields to be visible, what cannot be visible, what fields to be there, and how, in which order it should be there. Right now it is like this. I can remove the field, I can add the field. So that can be controlled using page layout. Even in the related list, what to be displayed, I can control. So that is a page layout. We'll discuss all those things in brief. This page layout and how to create a page layout, how to assign a page layout. I have created it, how to assign that page layout to a particular record type and the profile, both. So if you see the screen, it is saying this record type is a Australia, and I have created Australia layout, named it as Australia layout, and I have assigned this Australia layout to all other profiles also. Okay, the profile, and the record type is Australia. I have assigned this page layout to this profile and this record type both. How we do everything, we'll discuss in detail everything, this page layouts and everything. And validation rules. So validation rule means I am providing some data. Providing some data to a record, but I have created some validation rules. But that means I can't provide data as I wish. So I can control what to be provided. I can those things like, see, please enter number. So it's an account number.
If it is not a number, I am entering some text, it should throw error, right? So then the error is please enter number, like that. So I can design the rules, I can design the validation rules as per the business. The business is saying, okay, there is a field called account number. It should be a number, it should not be any other. Apart from number, if it is any like alphabet characters or then it should throw error stating please enter number. So I have designed that one. I have created a validation rule. I'll just open it. See if it is blank or if it is not a number, is number, not is number. If it is not a number, then it's going to throw error. Please enter number, error message. Okay. So we'll be discussing these validation rules, how to write a validation rule, everything. We'll discuss further. Once we active, then only the validation rule is active. Here we will discuss whatever is needed for the administrator. Okay, company information. What does a company information mean? Company information. Here we can see the company information, everything. What is this? We'll discuss each and everything. What is this permission set? What is the feature license? Everything will be discussing so that it's important for admin to know all these things. So we'll discuss what are all these things so that we'll get familiarized with this company information. If whatever you're saying company information, it is at complete org level, not specific to object or specific to some fixed scenario or some functionality. It's a complete org level. If I click deactivate org, this org will get deactivated. Okay. Click edit, we can provide some information like company name, who is the primary contact, definition, address of the company, phone of the company, fax. It's related to company only. Company's local setting, what is the default language, the default time zone, everything we can give. And these are some settings, we can discuss it later. So like this, we can create a company information also. We can update the company information also. So here user licenses. So what licenses are the Salesforce license? All these things. So right now we are using Salesforce license. So we will get 2 free licenses. I have utilized 2, so I have 2 users. So okay, what I will explain what is this license, how different licenses going to affect the user. We can see those also. The user level licenses, it's a permission set license. So here there is a concept called permission set. So we will get to know what is permission set, how to create a permission set, and we license assigning to that permission set we call permission set license. So what is this permission set license and everything we'll be discussing. So this is about company information which we'll be discussing in detail. So first takeaway here is I want you to be familiarized with the screens which we are seeing. Okay, setup screen and application screen should be familiarized with that. Should be familiarized with those setup screen and application screen. And the terminology what we are saying, right? I'm saying like object manager, I'm saying company information, I'm saying licenses. So those once you are hearing, so you feel more comfortable in understanding the Salesforce. So if I keep in your shoes, then I can understand how the screen is for you. It's very new, right? So because even when I am learning Salesforce, I felt the same thing. I have logged in, but I am not understanding what are all this. It is saying sales, it's saying home. What is the purpose of this? Nothing. So once you start working, then slowly one by one you will get understand each and everything. Okay. Just be familiar with the screens and the terminologies we are talking about, and what about lead and contact, account, opportunity. So just try to create a record. Think of, you can create a record. You can go click on lead tab, click on new, and provide the data here. That's it. And yours is a brand new org, you don't have any restrictions. Simply create the data and provide the data and save it. The record will get created. Okay, like this we can create the records also. So here what I request is open login to Salesforce, be make comfortable with you with Salesforce while logging, log out everything. And then after that, once you log in, go to sales application and see the leads tab, opportunities tab, contact, account, campaign, each and every tab. Click on it, click on campaign, try if you could create a record, try create a record. Okay, just test from your end. So are we comfortable in logging, log out, and changing between the setup screen and application screen? Can we create a record or not? Because we are familiar, right? Now you know what is lead and everything. So you can click on leads tab, you can create. So your free demo, nothing wrong. Whatever you do, is going to ask. Okay, it's a free demo. So you can just click on the tab and try to creating the record and everything. So what's going to happen once you do this? You will get familiarized with the screens which you are seeing. Okay, then you can understand better whatever topic I'm explaining. So please try from your end, and if you have any queries, let me know. And yeah, hello,
Yeah, I think
hello,
I'm the only one.
yes. Why is this not coming? I just want to check. Do you have any queries?
As of now, no, but the screen, it looks like a little bit different, whatever that new in my screen compared to yours. Maybe,
Okay, these are the screens which we are having. No more queries.
no. As of now.
If you're talking, I'm not able to hear. No voice from.
No queries.
You can type something.
Okay. I don't know why it's not.
No queries. Okay. Okay, we'll wind up for the day. So the ask, I mean, what I suggest is, once you create the org, I mean, you have already created the org, you can log in and just go through these subjects, leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, and all. Just move between the screens from sales to setup, setup to sales. So you feel comfortable with the UI. So once you are comfortable with the UI, then it will be easy to understand the next topics. Okay, thank you. We'll wind up for the day, and have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye.